Learn English with your Instill.
Number 10. Taking public transportation. Excuse me, where's the bus stop?
It's right there, across the street.
Thanks. Which bus goes downtown?
Bus number 23.
Do you know when it comes?
Every 15 minutes. Look at the schedule.
Oh, I see. It's coming at 9:30.
Do you have a bus pass?
No, where can I buy one?
At the machine over there.
How much is a ticket?
$2.50 for one way.
Can I pay on the bus?
Yes, but you need exact change.
Here comes the bus.
Remember to signal the driver.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Let's get on.
Where should I sit?
There are free seats in the back.
When should I press the stop button?
When you see the bank.
Is that the next stop?
No, it's 3 stops away.
Can you tell me when to get off?
Sure, I'll let you know.
Thanks. That's very kind.
This is your stop coming up.
Thank you. Press the button now.
Yes, press it now.
Thanks for all your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Bye. You too. Number 11. Talking about jobs. Hi, David. What do you do for work?
Hello, Maria. I'm a teacher. How about you?
I'm a nurse at the city hospital.
That's interesting. Do you like your job?
Yes, I love helping people. How about you?
I enjoy teaching children.
What subject do you teach?
I teach math and science.
What time do you start work?
I start at 8 a.m. You?
I work different shifts, sometimes nights.
That must be difficult.
Sometimes, but I'm used to it now.
How long have you been a nurse?
5 years. And you?
I've been teaching for 3 years.
Is your school far from here?
No, it's only 10 minutes away.
That's nice. I drive 30 minutes.
Do you work weekends?
Yes, sometimes. You?
No, just Monday to Friday.
How many students do you have?
I have 25 students in my class.
That's a lot of students.
Yes, but they're great kids.
Do you want to change jobs?
No, I love being a teacher.
Me too. I love being a nurse.
That's wonderful. Keep up the good work.
Thanks. You too.
See you later.
Bye. Have a good day. Number 12. Weekend activities. Hi. How was your weekend?
Great. I did lots of fun things.
Really? What did you do?
On Saturday, I went to the park.
Who did you go with?
With my family. We had a picnic.
That sounds nice. What about Sunday?
I went shopping with friends.
Did you buy anything?
Yes, I bought a new shirt.
Cool. What else did you do?
We saw a movie in the evening.
Was it good?
Yes, very good. What about you?
I stayed home and read books.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, I needed some quiet time.
What are you doing next weekend?
Maybe going to the beach.
Fun. Can I come too?
Sure, let's plan it.
Great. See you then.
Bye. Have a good day.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.